Hi, welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me another product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. And today we have a stainless steel door that its intention is for an outdoor kitchen. Now I don't have an outdoor kitchen. I'm not going to be able to install it in an outdoor kitchen. So my main goal here is to show it to you so that you have the best information for you to see whether you need to buy it for your outdoor kitchen or whatever it is that you might need a stainless steel door for. It could be used for a lot of different things, but its intention is for an outdoor kitchen. Let's open it up and see what we have, shall we? First thing up, I see a scrubber. Okay. So we have, first thing I'm going to absolutely warn you against when you're dealing with stainless steel, and I've had this when I've dealt with stainless steel in the past, is always watch the sharp edges. Stainless steel is horrendously sharp on the edges. Make sure you really be careful about the edges. It's very sharp. But you can see that you have a stainless steel door here with magnets. Just like that. And I'll open this up here, and then you would fit this in here to whatever framing that you would have here. You would fit this in right there. You would butt your framing up right up against this and secure that with whatever you were going to secure that with. I'm going to lay that down for a second, unwrap your hardware. So I'm just going to place this up here so Susie can get a picture of that for you. That's what it would look like completed when you get the door pieces on. You got a good picture of that?
That's nice.
Very nice. It does come with a screwdriver to put that on there in the bag, if you see that. So folks, there is your stainless steel door for your outdoor kitchen or whatever you might want to use that for. Go out and get it today. It is very nice quality, and like I said, it does have magnets right here in the door and for the catches here. Very nice. Go out and get one today.